All right, does he want you or does he just want that ass? Let's find out. All right, ladies, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction coming from Berlin. I'm making a sacrifice here today because the fucking internet is off today. These people, I swear to God. So now I gotta make these videos outside in the cold. Anyways, so let's do this. And tomorrow I'm having a seminar. I don't think there's enough space, but purchase it and we'll find a place for you, okay? If you want to come tomorrow in Berlin, and then we're gonna have another one in London. So if you want to come, let me know and we can make it happen. All right. All right. So let's talk about. We're gonna be talking about through 5 signs that he only wants you sexually. All right. Now. All right. So the reason why I wanted to make this is because one of my clients and Patreon supporters asked me, how do I tell the difference between a guy liking me and genuinely for me, and a guy liking me for sex, right? Because she says she's a very attractive girl, and you know what, I can see that. You know what I'm saying? Like it's hard being an attractive woman because you don't know the kind of attention you get. Actually, in general, it's hard being a woman. I'll be honest with you. I'm not a guy, but from observing other women and what they tell me, it's hard. So I decided to make this video because it may not give you all the answers, but it'll give you a sense of when a guy just wants sex with you, right? And you want to don't just look for one sign. You want to look for all of these signs, like 2 or 3 of them. You know, like if he does one of them, it doesn't mean that. But if he does all 3 of them, or even 3 out of the 5, then most likely he just wants it back. You know what I'm saying? So let's find out, right? And by the way, I have a Spanish channel, ladies. So if you want to check out the Spanish version, click on the description down below and you can check out the Spanish version. So the first one is this: he doesn't hang out with you when you're on your period. Simple as that. And when he says, yo, you want to hang out? All you gotta do is just say, nah, I can't hang out because I'm on my period. Simple as that. And you'll find out. He'll like, oh, you know what? Hit me up when you're better. You know what I'm saying? So if he only wants to hang out with you for sex, and you tell him you're on your period, he's not gonna want to hang out with you. And, anytime a girl tells me that and I just want to have sex, I'm like, you know what? Never mind. Let me know when you're better. not when you're better, but like I just say, just let me know when you want to hang out again, right? I'm very unapologetic, but what you'll notice is that the guy will find some way to not hang out. And even if he does hang out with you, you'll notice he's a little cold around you, and the meeting will end soon, or he'll hang out and just drink, so that he can not have to deal with the fact that you guys have to interact. You see what I'm saying? Because some guys will not tell you the truth, so they'll just say yeah, but then you'll notice that they'll either have to drink to hang out with you or smoke. Like he won't hang out with you sober. The second one is that he never invites you to spend the night, or he just never wants to spend the night with you. There's always an excuse, right? Anytime you just want to have sex with a girl, now it depends, because some guys enjoy spending the night with a girl. You see what I'm saying? So it could be a little different. But because I remember me being with a girl and just wanting sex, but I didn't mind spending the night because it was a long trip home, right? So that's what you'll notice. What I'll notice is that when a girl had a long trip and she wants to spend the night, I just tell her to sleep on the couch. And they know that. They know that's how I am, because I like to sleep alone sometimes, right? And again, ladies, I'm fucked up in the head. I'm actually gonna go to therapy so I can see if there's something wrong with me. But generally, they won't want to spend the night over with you, all right? And they'll give you every excuse in the book, like every excuse in the book. I don't give a fuck what the excuses. The point is that they do that. The third one is that after sex, you only meet for sex. Right, so let's just say you guys hung out 3 times, and finally after the 3rd time you had sex with him, right? You'll notice that after that, the date he stops impressing you, and he'll only want to hang out with you at night, or hang out with you, which will lead to sex. He'll never take you to dinner. He'll never take you to the thing. Everything always ends up being back in his place. Now, again, you notice when a guy likes you, he takes the time. The dates have a flow. With this guy, the dates have one purpose: let's go back home. All right. The fourth one is that he never commits. Jesus Christ is cold today, man. The fourth one is that he never commits, right? He'll tell you that he's not ready. He'll always move it up into the future. So I'm not ready yet. Let's just talk about it a few days into the future. The point is that he'll never commit to you, right? He'll never. In fact, he'll tell you how he loves your independence. He'll tell you how he values independence. He'll tell you how he wants a woman who's free. He'll tell you how he loves his distance, which is a way of him saying, don't look for anything serious with me, all right? I say that a lot. And then give you a bonus one, number 6, After a few months of being with him, it's only sex. It's one thing after 1 month, 2 months, but goddamn, after 3 months, motherfucker, man, you better be spending some time with her. I mean, you better notice something different. You better notice that, like, you guys spend more time together, you guys study together, you guys do something together that doesn't always include sex. Now, it can include sex, but the point is that you guys spend a prolonged time together after a few months. But if you notice that after a few months, the length of time doesn't extend in terms of how much you guys hang out. That motherfucker just wants to bang and smash. You see what I'm saying? So if you see these 6 signs, most likely he just wants to have sex with you. All right. After that, it's your choice. I have plenty of videos that talk about how to deal with that, and I have a course, Natural Chemistry and the Psychological Game of Attraction, that will teach you how to do it and how to create that natural chemistry with a guy. All right, ladies, don't forget, check out my Spanish channel in the description down below. Check out my upcoming seminar. I'm gonna be having seminars in this year in LA, Canada, Miami, and Chicago. I'm planning to go to those places, because all of you guys are asking me to go there. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just give that to them. All right. And yes, I'm going there reluctantly. All right. That's not a place I would go, but I'm getting too many requests, so I'd rather go there. All right. Peace out, people. The Germans are looking at me. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free, and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out, because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.